Hello everyone.
Hello, hi.
Crazy!
Much fun!
Experience your journey Songkran Festival. Where you come from?
I'm from Portugal.
I'm from Germany. We are from Singapore.
We are from Turkey.
I'm from Brazil.
I'm from India.
We're both from Germany.
We are from Germany.
I'm from India.
This is your first time for Songkran Festival?
No, I've been here before. Like last year. It was amazing. This is my first Songkran, but not my first second.
No, I was here in 2019.
This is our first Songkran.
Yes, both first. Yes, it's my first time in Songkran.
Yes, this is our first time.
Yeah, this is my first festival.
Yes, it is.
How is your experience with Songkran?
Absolute crazy.
It's crazy out here for sure. You gotta love it. I enjoy getting wet and getting sprayed by random people and my friends. Woo!
Yeah, and get a big gun. This is not enough. Get a bigger gun. They are so evil out there. This is war. This is a war.
Well, I think I'm more wet at this moment and probably will be more wet.
Nice experience so far. We think it's amazing. We love it.
We are exploring and we heard good things.
It's exciting and it's magical.
This was a very good experience. You should come.
Where is your favorite place to play Songkran?
I hear good things about Silom. Silom Road was the best place to have fun here.
Silam Road.
Khao Road. Khao San for sure.
Kaosom Road.
House on road.
For those who still decide, what would you like to say to invite them here?
Get a good water gun from the market and then come here to have fun.
Same.
Well, just come here and enjoy Bangkok and Taiwan. It's my 5th time in Taiwan. Come here and enjoy. This is what I have for you.
Everyone, you only live once. Come to Songkran. Yeah, Thailand. It's gonna be a crazy day. Get some drinks and have a good time for sure.
Just come here. It's so fun. Just come. Did you still not come? Yeah. Yeah. Why are you not here yet?
You should come because Thai people are the best.
I think they should not wait. It's very exciting and you all should be here. Yeah, it's very exciting. Just enjoy and join the party. Come here, enjoy with your friends, with your family. Have fun.
I invite all my friends and families. Have some fun together. Bless all the people to be good. Happy Songkran Day to all the people, to all the world.
Happy Songkran!
Happy Songkran Day.
Happy Songkran Day.
Happy Songkran Day!
Happy Songkran Day!
Happy Songkran Day. Woohoo! Happy Songkran Day.
Happy Songkran Day! Happy Songkran Day!